Y'all, welcome back to Out of the Darkness. I am Q. I have spoken to you guys a few times about this whole illegal immigrant situation, okay? I'm frustrated about the fact that the left always tries to twist the narrative that we, as conservatives, are against immigration. We never said that. Don't twist my words. I am against illegal immigration. I think immigration is fantastic. I love it. Come on in legally, as long as you are coming and you are going to be productive and you are going to raise your family to love America. Come on over, but do it legally. It is not America's job to take on the world's problems. It's not. It is America's job to do what is best for America. And that's all we want. America first. Americans first. And how that became bad, I don't know. But today, the United States Supreme Court finally did their jobs and rightfully interpreted the Constitution. And so I told you the Democrats were trying to bring in people. If they knew, and just tell me, if you believe that if they knew that 75 to 80% of the people coming across the border were going to vote Republican, do you honestly believe that they would be saying, let them in? Do you really believe that? Of course not. They wouldn't. This amnesty drive has been nothing short of a voter registration drive, trying to do everything they possibly can to ensure victories for Democrats for time to come, for decades to come. And so today, the U.S. Supreme Court actually struck down there are 400,000 people from 12 different countries here in the country under TPS status, okay? That is temporary protective status. And the Democrats have been trying to give those people amnesty, okay? Those people have come in and said, hey, you know what? They are a war-torn nation, or they are seeking refugee status. They are in rough shape. Now, those people that have come in illegally. Now, there is a legal way to come about doing that. And remember, President Trump was even allowing that, but you had to wait on the Mexico side of the border before you could come in, right? So today, the Supreme Court came and they said, absolutely not. This is not constitutional. You cannot grant amnesty, because Biden was attempting to grant amnesty to those people. They said, you can't do it. Now, you can apply for resident status if you came in legally, but if you came in illegally, you cannot request residency status. And that is fantastic news for us, because that ensures that the Constitution still has a place in America. Then, after that, now this is the fun part. After that, Kamala Harris gives a speech and she tells the people of Central America, turn around. Don't come here. You will not be let in. Whoa, Kamala, are you serious? You're going to do your best Donald Trump interpretation? You're going to attempt to summon the spirit of the Trump, of Orange Man Bad? Why isn't this considered racist? Why isn't Stelter, and why isn't Cuomo, and why isn't, Don Lemon, did he have a show anymore? Anyway, why isn't CNN and Rachel Maddow, why aren't they losing their minds over the fact that this racist Kamala Harris has come out and told Central Americans to stay where they're at, they will not be allowed in. So now that you find out that they can't vote for you, now that you find out that they can't get you in office, now you choose to tell them to stay home. So it wasn't ever about them. It was never about taking care of them. It was always, and it always is, about you getting something. Democrats don't give a rat's behind about minorities. They don't give a rat's behind about black lives, brown lives, yellow lives, any lives whatsoever, blue lives, green lives. They do not give a rat's behind about anybody but their own power and globalists. That is it. That is the only thing they truly care about. And as long as it benefits them, then great. If it benefits you and them, fantastic. But if they have to choose between it benefiting them or benefiting you, it is always going to be for their own benefit. Now, she doesn't care about people. Now, it's not, oh, look at the poor children. Now, it's stay where you're at, don't come in. The Supreme Court says that you can't vote for us. We don't need you anymore. Go back where you came from. God, that is terrible. But we're going to call them out for being the frauds they are. So have a fantastic day. I want your comments. I want to hear what you guys have to say about the topic. I'll look forward to reading them. Have a fantastic day. Be blessed. I'll see you next time.